Thanks for checking out another clip of the Cashflow Contractor. We'd love to have you as a part of our audience. Click subscribe wherever you get your podcast. What are the three most important things our listeners can do to stop losing sales and to start converting more? What can we walk away with?
I even give you a bonus. I'll give you more than you asked me for. I'll give you 4.
Okay, 4.
One is go to a call and number one, say, I'm going to give this customer before you even get to the house, I'm going to give this person my unconditional friendship. Even if they don't want it, they're going to get it from me anyway. Because a friend doesn't mean that you're always going to blow sunshine up people's rear end. A friend means you're going to shoot straight with people sometimes. Like a good friend, like if you're destroying your life and you're my friend, Khalil, I'm going to tell you, Khalil, you need to, I can't have you in my life if you're going to be doing these things that are not productive. I can't have that in my life. So your good friend would shoot straight when you're in the red zone or you're doing something wrong in your life. A good friend's, they're going to celebrate and have fun too, but a good friend is going to make sure that they shoot straight with you. So honesty with your customer is part of being a friend. So giving friendship isn't just easy. It's something that I'm committing to make sure I dive into this family to understand that. Number 2, diagnose not just the thing people are asking you for, but look at the technical solution and go bigger to see what's the next thing they're going to need if I provide this project. What other services they're going to need? And don't like if you're going to do something like, do drywall for somebody, don't just give a card of a painter to paint the walls. Say, I'm going to go ahead and hire a painter. He's going to paint the walls, and you can even pick out your own color or whatever kind of a thing, right? So don't give the job to the customer to do. Yeah, then you can find a painter to paint the place or whatever. Or then you're going to have to prime the walls. It's like, dude, you need to prime the walls. So one of the options should be you do the painting and decorating. Like I tell plumbers, like yeah, we're going to repipe the house. So who's going to do the drywall? I tell them to find their own drywall guy. I said, that's crappy service. You should be finding a drywall guy because you're in the construction business. You should be finding a painter and a decorator to repaint as well and make sure the whole project, the premium option is we do the plumbing, we tear apart the drywall and have a company come in to do that for us. And then we go ahead and hire another company to do the drywall, and another company does painting and decorating. So the plumbing part of it is only part of the project. We do the rest of it for you. So look at the whole thing that's going to be needed and not just the part that you do and give a business card about somebody else to do it. Hire that person yourself and manage that person for the customer because that's called construction management. That's what you need to do. That's number 2. Number 3, always make premium, mid-range, and economy choices that are customized and relevant based on what you've learned about the family and all that part of it there, and make sure that it is speaking not just to the technical thing that was asked for, but also to the people who use it. And here's the final part. Number 4, and it's a bonus. The words, what should we do? That's the name of my book. It's just like, here's the prices, guys. The premium mid-range economy, the premium one, we do everything for you and go above and beyond. The bottom one is exactly what you asked me for. Take a look at all these choices. What should we do? And they're going to say, wow, you do know nobody's ever given me choices. And I say, I realize that. So what should we do? It's a lot of money. It is a high investment, but it's an investment in your family, John. So what should we do? Can I think about it? Take all the time you need. I'll stay right here. What should we do?
I'm not leaving.
So the words, what should we do? That's the name of the book. And I highly recommend everybody read that. Matter of fact, I would even give you a free copy of the book if you want it. Just go to book.servicemvp.com. You got that for free. It's going to pay for shipping for $9.95. The book is $26 on Amazon. We sold 23,000 books, and it's really the Bible for construction sales because it shows you how to introduce everything I talked about here. Those 4 components. Be a student of your client. Be determined to do things the right way and to differentiate yourself because, Martin, you bring up some really good points. And Khalil, I think I'm really in the perfect place on this podcast to provide value for your listeners. And I hope I've inspired them and given them a little bit of a gift, golden nuggets they can use.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much. Yeah, those are great tips. I love that. Thanks for checking out a clip from the Cashflow Contractor. We have full episodes where we go deep on topics that help you grow a construction business that runs without you so you can have less stress, more time, more money. Now, we've got other videos, other clips, but if you want to check out the full episode for this clip, you can click wherever our editor put it. It might be here, it might be there. might be over my face. I don't know. But thank you for checking us out. We'd love to have you as a part of our audience. So subscribe or check out a full episode wherever you get podcasts.